Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into a question that many yoga practitioners, beginners and even seasoned yogis often ask. How many sun salutation should I do every day? Whether you are just starting your yoga journey or looking to deepen your daily practice, understanding the right number of sun salutation for you can be a game changer. So grab your mat, stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of how to structure your practice effectively. Before we get into numbers, let's briefly touch on what Sun Salutations or Surya Namaskar really are. Sun Salutations are a dynamic sequence of 12 postures performed in a flowing series. Each movement is synchronized with the breath, creating a moving meditation that not only warms up the body but also aligns your mind and spirit. In Sanskrit, Surya means sun, Namaskar means to bow or to salute. Traditionally, sun salutations were practiced at sunrise to honor the sun as a symbol of vitality, energy, and life force. Sun salutations are more than just a warm-up. They offer countless benefits when practiced consistently. It gives full body stretch and strengthening. It improves blood circulation. It boosts metabolism. It enhances flexibility and mobility. It clears the mind and reduces stress. It builds stamina and discipline over time. It is a holistic tool, engaging muscles, joints, breath and focus all at once. So let's get to the heart of the matter. How many sun salutation should you really do each day? The answer actually depends on your personal goal, fitness level and time availability. Let me break it down for you. First, beginners. If you are new to yoga, start small. Even 1 to 5 rounds daily can help you establish consistency, improve mobility, and gradually build stamina. The key here is to learn the correct alignment and breathing. Second, intermediate practitioners. For those who have been practicing yoga regularly, aim for 6 to 12 rounds. This range strikes a perfect balance between energizing the body and developing focus. You will notice significant improvements in flexibility, strength, and endurance. Third, traditional yogic approach. In traditional practices, 12 rounds are often recommended as a symbolic number representing the 12 solar phases or zodiac signs. It is said that 12 rounds can help ignite your inner fire or Agni, boosting vitality. Fourth, advanced practitioners. For advanced practitioners or during special events like solstice, 27, 54 or 108 rounds are sometimes practiced. These numbers are considered sacred in yogic philosophy. However, this requires preparation, stamina and time, so don't rush into it. Regardless of the number, here are key things to keep in mind. Listen to your body. Never push through pain or excessive fatigue. Focus on breath and form. Proper breathing and alignment matters more than speed or numbers. Consistency over intensity. A short, consistent daily practice is better than sporadic, intense sessions. Time of the day. Traditionally practiced at sunrise, but they can be done anytime to refresh body and mind. I personally love doing 8 to 12 rounds in the morning. It gives me a powerful yet balanced start to the day. Sometimes I reduce the rounds or rest days, but I always stay consistent with at least a few rounds to stay connected to my practice. For you, it might be different, and that's okay. Honor your journey. So to wrap it up, there is no one size fit all when it comes to sun salutation. Start where you are, build gradually, and stay mindful. Remember, yoga is about balance, not competition. Let me know in the comments below. How many rounds do you usually do? Or are you just starting your journey? I would love to hear from you and support your practice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more yoga wisdom, and share this with a friend who might need it. Until next time, stay present, stay energized, and keep saluting the sun. Namaste.